Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about a favorite subject.
Hi. Hello. What subjects did you learn in school? I learned math, science, physics, biology, geography, history, literature, English, art, and music. What subject did you like the most when you were at school? Were you good at it? I liked biology the most, although I was excellent at literature. Did your friends like that subject too? Yes, they did. They enjoyed every single biology lesson. Was the textbook written in English or any other language? It was written in English. How was that subject helpful to you? It helps me a lot in becoming a biology teacher. How often did you learn that subject? I often had biology lessons 5 times a week. How long did you spend on that subject at home? I spent roughly 2 hours per day studying biology at home. Have you ever attended any extra classes for that subject? Yes, I have. I usually attended evening classes. Is it important to study hard on both social science and natural science? No, it isn't. Students should study the ones they like and those that are helpful to their career path.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about a favorite subject. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.